Guys, welcome to our first video. Today we'll be learning basic HTML structure, and for this you can use any apps. There are many apps. You can use basic Notepad. It is available on any Windows PC, or you can also use some dedicated apps like Sublime Text or CodeWriter. You have Atom. There are many. Today I'll be using Notepad. And first thing you need to know is that every command in HTML is enclosed in this greater than and smaller than symbol, and it is called a tag. Alright, it's called a tag. All HTML documents open with tags. The same tag, HTML. This is the opening tag. Alright. Next I'm gonna go for the head tag. This is the first part. There's a head and a body. So this is the first part, the head. Inside the head you have title. This title will show on the web page's tab name. It will show as the title. Alright. Yeah, we'll get to that later when we open the document. So I'm just gonna title it my first HTML. Alright. Now, every tag has an opening tag and an ending tag, right? So for the ending tag is known as off tag, alright? So this can be put as off title. This backslash, it's known as off, alright? So now we're done with the titles and the head is also finished. So let's close head of head. Alright. Now let's go to the second part, the body. Start body. This will be showed in the main page. The head won't be displayed anywhere. It's just the back end. The body on the other hand will be displayed on the page. Now if you, let's say you want to write a paragraph, alright, let's say you want to describe something, or so for any reason you want to write a paragraph. This is the tag P, enclosed P. Now here now we can end it with of P. Now you can change the colors and you can change the background of the body, and we'll be showing all of that in our upcoming videos, but right now let's just stick with the basics. Alright, so this is the main body paragraph. There are many other tags. Now let's say you want to put the paragraph in the center. Alright, so you can just put the center tag. Alright, center, and here you can put off center. Right, so whatever is enclosed between this center will come into the center of the page. Alright, so right now I don't want this. I'll just remove it for now. Alright, so now we'll finish the body. Okay, of body. So the body is also finished. The first part and the second parts are done. Now the final closing tag is of HTML. Don't forget this. Always you have to start with HTML and end with of HTML. This whole thing, it's the basic structure of HTML itself. Alright, so now let's save. Alright guys, so I've opened the file up. So this is the thing we typed inside the P tag, and it shows here. This is what we typed in the title. Remember, my first HTML, and that's what it shows here. So that's so each tag has its own significance, and yeah, this is the basic structure of HTML what we covered in today's video. and we will be showing more formatting, putting background images, putting tables, putting there are many things, many features. This is just the basic part. So if you like today's video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to AV Creators. Bye guys, we'll be back again with a new video.